May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and today the Charleston County School District is turning awareness into action. Across the district, it's Mental Health Awareness Day.
You'll see a sea of green in classrooms and hallways as students and staff members say they want to start some conversations and push back against the stigma that too often surrounds mental health cases.
Our Gracie Kirshner is joining us live from downtown Charleston. So Gracie, what's the message behind this sea of green?
Yeah, that's right, Anna and Shelby. The green isn't just a color today, it's a statement. Unfortunately, I forgot to wear mine, but hopefully if you are a CCSD student or a parent and you haven't left for school just yet, you'll have a chance to put it on and participate as 88 schools in the district get ready to celebrate today. Now, it's more than just a day though. Mental health is something that affects students every single day, both inside and outside the classroom. And in a district this large, making sure students feel seen and supported isn't always simple. That's why leaders say their approach is personal. Support looks different for every student. For some, a quick check-in. For others, it's ongoing care and connection. Students can tap into help through partnerships in the community or right inside their schools. From counselors and social workers to psychologists, wellness coaches, and even trusted teachers. Those resources are only growing. The district recently secured a more than $5 million school-based mental health grant from the U.S. Department of Education, funding a 4-year effort to expand support as student needs continue to rise. They're also teaming up with MUSC to launch the Thrive program, creating smaller, specialized classroom environments designed to help students regulate emotions and behavior. Leaders say it all comes back to one goal: meeting students where they are and making sure no one slips through the cracks.
Mental health services are critical across the age span. It just looks different in its delivery. So for our high school students, we're working more with them directly, listening to them, hearing from them, what do they need, making sure we reduce the stigma for support that can sometimes be evident in our older students. But for our youngest learners, we know that that's a whole family system of support, and it can sometimes carry its own stigma of reaching out for help and seeking help from others.
District leaders say the work doesn't stop when the school bell rings or even when the school year ends. Tonight, they're starting one step forward by inviting you to join a Zoom sessions with partnerships with the National Alliance for Mental Illness to help you better understand what signs to look out for and how to have a conversation with your student about mental health. Now, they're having one in both English and in Spanish, and that's all happening at 6 p.m. tonight. You can find the link to sign up on their Facebook page or on my web story at live5news.com. And it's May, so the school year is coming to an end, but that doesn't mean these resources are. They will still be accessible and available, so make sure to just reach out to the district. They'll connect you with telehealth services or virtual mental health counseling. They say that no matter what, they want to support their students, but if it is an emergency, district leaders urge you to dial 988 for assistance. Reporting live in Charleston County, I'm Gracie Kirshner, Live 5 News.